Hi, man.
Would you want to pick out a fish for us?
A fish?
Yes.
Oh,
Walking us straight to the big tank, huh?
He knew where he was going.
We all know how pricey those babies are.
Oh my god. We got a leak. What is going on, Cuffaro? Welcome back to another video. Today we are letting a stranger pick out a fish for me. Like, total stranger. Can't be a subscriber, can't be.
Hi, man.
Would you want to pick out a fish for us?
A fish?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, well,
we'll find another stranger. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. We're gonna find a stranger to pick out. That would have been so clutch.
I really thought, we both thought the same thing when she walked by. I thought that was it.
No. We're gonna go in there. We're gonna see what they got.
Yep.
And we're gonna hope that the stranger picks what we obviously want.
Yeah.
It's my favorite store here, and it's time to see whether we can find a stranger to pick us out a fish.
That's task numero uno.
Task numero uno is literally just finding a stranger.
Yeah, getting someone to agree to actually allow us to film them, walk around, choose something.
Yeah,
and
it's
then
hard
take
to
a
find
thumbnail.
people that like to be filmed. Like, that girl definitely didn't want to be filmed.
I
but
should have asked that man.
He probably would have said yes too. Or he would have told you to kick rocks.
Yep.
It's gonna be an interesting one.
Alright, I found a guy. Found him. It's literally the guy I said I should have asked when he walked in. He's gonna pick out a fish. He literally did. That was the easiest thing we've ever done.
Oh, walking us straight to the big tank, huh?
Yeah,
he knew where he was going.
Yeah, because I come here.
All right. What are we doing? Where are we going here?
If I was buying a fish,
Yep.
I would pick. I would pick that guy there.
Yeah? Beautiful.
That's what I would.
I'll do that. Do you want any fish?
No, I'm good. I'm good. I'm
Yeah,
good.
sure?
I'm positive.
Any fish in the whole store. On me. I'm making them think now. Any fish.
Let me look in here. This is the tank that I buy. No, I'm good. I'm good.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
All right,
Fish, I
bro.
gotta eat those.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Because my fish are gonna eat those. Thank you, man.
All right, man.
I appreciate it big time.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
All right.
Sweet. Well, that was much easier than I thought. Wow. That is so cool. I don't know what it is. That's another reason why I love what's literally just happened. Dude, like, I've never in my entire life seen that before. In my entire life. There's a beautiful frontosa.
Oh,
Is that frontosa right there? There's some really cool cichlids,
Look
of
at that
course, as
albino.
well. I know. I mean, dude, I've never seen that. Sick. That is honestly so dope. It looks pregnant. It literally looks pregnant. It's full. It's got a big old belly. Looks like that's what we gotta get, huh? Stranger picked me out a fish. Oh my gosh. Well, there's the species. Google has a picture feature for search, which technology these days is crazy. Paratilapia. It's really called a paratilapia, whatever way it may be pronounced. Paratilapia paulini. Paratilapia paulini. Thanks, man. That's incredible. By the way, there's a melanistic gar in this tank right now. We all know how pricey those babies are. I do have one of those in my pond, as you know. He's a stud. Brenton's gonna scoop up that one for his pond, but he's gotta wait for it to calm a little bit. It just came in from a person that dropped off fish, and it's obviously stressed out with the foggy eye right now, so it's a little bit stressed from all the transportation, but they're gonna keep it here for a couple weeks, and then Brenton's gonna take that one home, which is awesome. Look at our two fish together. We got our two fish together. It literally looks like a crappie. Does that look like a crappie? Yeah. Paratilapia paulini is a medium-sized cichlid from Madagascar. It is a popular fish for display at public aquariums.
Oh my gosh, I love that movie.
It is sometimes referred to by common names paulini cichlid or black diamond cichlid. Black diamond cichlid.
Gang?
Much easier
Wow.
name than a paratilapia.
That's sick.
I kind of like paratilapia though.
So that's what he picked.
Yep, from Madagascar.
Literally the one thing we
How
didn't know
cool
it
is
was.
that? The one species in this whole tank that I couldn't name.
Oh my gosh, the gar's floating.
I know, he was up here and he took a breath of air on camera. We got it, you didn't. That is sweet. Well, I've never had a stranger literally just point out a fish and I have to buy it. Unfortunately, he didn't need any fish for himself. I would have loved to get him one, but we know what we're getting. Let's get him bagged up. They have one discus back there. One discus. And it literally, that's how you know they're difficult to take care of. No guaranteed on discus. Whole school of iridescent catfish. Look at them all. If only I had the dang front pond set up. Look how big those goldfish are. I would be copping those for the front pond for sure. Once we get it all set up though, we're definitely gonna be getting stuff like that. Almost 4,000 gallons of water. We're gonna have so much room to just get awesome, colorful, only colorful fish. So our fish right here got bagged up nice and quick. Dude, it literally looks pregnant. I've never seen a fish that fat in my life. I'm excited. Another one added to the collection. And that was picked from a random stranger, which I wish I got his name. I have no idea what his name was, but I appreciate you. Is he still here?
No.
No. No, he's gone. Thank you, sir, wherever you are. Maybe he'll come across this video. You never know. Oh, he's chilling. Hey, bud.
That's tequila.
Tequila. Hey, bud. Probably knows how to have a lot of fun, huh? Taking care of one of our viewers. One of the Cuffaros are here. He's getting some feeders, so for watching all the videos, man.
No, thank
And this
you,
is
man.
little man. He could be on camera too.
Yeah, he could be on the camera.
We're
Say
gonna
hi
see
to
yourself
everyone.
on TV.
Say hi.
So whatever he's got, and then my fish as well. Please. And that is it. We're out of this place. It's dangerous in here. I gotta get out of here. Good to meet you.
All right, good to see you.
Thank
too,
you, bro.
man. Thank you. No problem.
We've got it. Cashed out. We own it. Let's go home. Beautiful fish that a stranger picked out. Oh, you hear the song? I will never fall in love again into life. We got him, baby. We got him, baby. Stranger did it. Yeah. Let's go home. Oh my goodness. Jumbo cricket. Oh, oh. I see you. Oh, oh. You know what? I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you roam. Oh, there he goes. Because you honestly deserve it. He'll get eaten out.
I'm so sorry.
He'll get eaten out here.
Paul was right there.
We're back home. And we got a fish! Yeah! Here we are, going in. We just played basketball for the last hour, and there was money on the line, so I went a little extra hard, so I'm sweating a little bit.
I lost $50.
Yeah, Brenton did indeed lose $50. He PayPal'd me that.
It's gotta go somewhere. Gotta make sure government doesn't see it.
What are you doing over here in my pond?
Just doing a little bit of
Dude! You're starting before?
little fiberglass mama, getting her done.
So we're over here messing with the pond just a tad bit. We have the fiberglass, all of this. And we're gonna do that. That'll be a video coming up soon. Look how it looks, bro.
Yep. This is gonna be rock hard in just a little bit. Rock hard.
And then we're gonna paint it all blue. Called today about the windows as well. These windows are gonna get acrylic panels. That's coming. This is gonna look good. This pond is gonna look very good. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that. Speaking of looking good, our paratilapia, I'm gonna call it, I love that name, is inside the aquarium acclimating. And right next door to the paratilapia is the big pond where Beast is waiting for me to feed like I feel like he always is. This building's really getting tied together here now. It's really coming together. All right, paratilapia, chill in there for a little bit, acclimate. We'll be back to get you out of there, all right? Oh, we got a leak. We got a leak. Come here, buddy. A stranger picked you out. And I think it's only right if we let you guys name this fish as well. I think it's gotta be pregnant, dude. But it's a beautiful, beautiful species and fish. Like, look at that. The colors are incredible. See you later, buddy. You got a big old tank. Looks like a massive bluegill. That right there is letting a stranger pick out a fish for my aquarium inside the fish building. I've never done anything like that before in my entire life. If you guys want to see this again, maybe even on a bigger scale for a fish that's going to go into here or something, smash the like button. This video gets 20,000 likes, I will go and do it on a bigger scale. That is so trippy. I gotta scrub this glass a little bit, huh? But that is one of the coolest fish. It looks like a tilapia. I guess that's why it's called paratilapia. Would make sense, but I just never seen that fish ever in my entire life. And the fact that the stranger went out and said that one right there is just so cool. Like, that's what I love about this video in itself, is I had no idea, even walking in there, whether we were gonna get a fish like that or not. I didn't know what we were coming out with. We asked the stranger at the front door, she denied, walked inside, and he made it happen. That was awesome. Definitely wanna do that again, so smash the like button. I know. Look at all these dang flies. Your boy upgraded his spray bottle. I got a new spray bottle because these flies just piss. One of the most annoying things owning a farm are flies. So the flies just disappear. If you guys have any secrets on getting rid of flies, please comment down below. I know some of you out there own a farm, got a bunch of animals, and you have like the ultimate secret of something, some sort to get rid of the flies out here. They're worse different times of the year. The more rainy season, they're worse, but let me know if you have any fly secrets. You know, it's a good thing we feed the pigs leftovers, like all different sorts of food, because I couldn't imagine how boring it would be to eat this every single day, all day. They get a lot of treats. Yesterday they had watermelon, the day before they had leftover from dinner. They're very spoiled out here. Enjoy. That right there is gonna wrap it up for today's video. Make sure if you haven't already, check out the merch. It's top link in the description, PulkFarrowBrand.com. New t-shirts and a lot of other new things on the site, so PulkFarrowBrand.com, check it out. Did you just knock that over? That's exactly what happened. Subscribe down below if you're new. We'll see you right back. See you right back here in the next video. Peace. He did it again.